The name of the today's topic is stress and strain under mechanics of structure. The stress, what is meant by the stress, how the stress induced in the building components. This generally the stress is defined as a load applied per unit area. Friends, see in this figure, this body is subjected to the axial force F. Due to this axial force F, deformation occur in the body. To balance the equilibrium condition, the internal resisting force are developed in the body. This internal resisting force resists the deformation of the body. Then how to define the stress? The internal resisting force per unit cross-sectional area is called as stress, or you can also say that the applied load per unit cross-sectional area is called as stress. Okay, then how to write it mathematically? The internal resisting force per unit cross sectional area is called as stress, or you can also say that the applied load, okay, the ratio of applied load to the cross sectional area is called as stress. Stress is denoted as a symbol sigma. Then what is a formula of stress? P divided by A. Okay, the P means the applied load and A is the cross sectional area. Okay, then what is the SI unit of the stress? The load is measured in Newton or kilonewton and area is measured in meter square or mm square. Then what is the SI unit of stress? Newton per mm square or kilonewton per mm square. The next point is the type of stresses. Okay, on the basis of loads, the stresses is classified into the three types: tensile stress, compressive stress, and shear stress. We know the types of load. Okay, the tensile load, compressive load, shear load. These are the types of the load. On the basis of this load, the stresses is classified into three types. Okay, the first type of the stress is tensile stress. Friends, see in this figure, this body is subjected to the tensile load. Okay, due to this tensile load, the tensile stress induced in the body. Then what is meant by the tensile load? The load which is acting away from the body, that load is called as a tensile load. Okay, see the direction of this load is acting away from the body. The tensile load is also called as the pull load. Due to the tensile stress, the length of the body gets increased. That's why the tensile stress is always positive. The next point is the compressive stress. See in this figure, this body is subjected to the compressive stress. The compressive stress induced in the body due to the compressive load. Then what is meant by the compressive load? The load which is acting towards the body is called as a compressive load. See the direction of this load which is acting towards the body. The compressive stress is also called as the push load or push stress, because due to this compressive stress the length of the body gets decreased. It compresses the body in inner direction. The length of the body gets decreases due to this compressive stress. That's why the compressive stress is always negative. Then what is the difference between the tensile stress and compressive stress? The tensile stress induced in the body due to the tensile load. Due to the tensile load, the length of the body is increases. The tensile stress is always positive. Okay, in compressive stress, the compressive stress induced in the body due to the compressive load. The compressive load, due to this compressive load, the length of the body gets decreases. That's why the compressive stress is always negative. Then next concept is strain. Okay, the strain induced in the body due to the load. Okay, the strain is the amount of deformation experienced by the body in the direction of force applied divided by the initial dimension of the body. What is the meaning of this sentence? If the body is in elastic condition, it's subjected to the tensile load or it's subjected to the axial load. Due to this load, the strain induced in the body. That means the strain is the ratio of change in dimension of the body to the original dimension of the body is called as strain. The strain is denoted as a symbol small e equal to delta L upon L. Okay, suppose this axial load is applied in the direction of the length. Due to this axial load, the length of the body gets increases. This increase in length is denoted as a symbol delta L. Okay, or change in length is denoted as a symbol delta L, and this L is the original length of the body. Okay, the strain have no unit. Okay, the strain is a dimensionless quantity as it just define the relative change in shape, so that it's have no unit. The next one, types of strain. On the basis of load, tensile load, compressive load, the strain is again classified into two types, tensile strain, compressive strain. Okay, the tensile strain is the change in length of a body due to the application of tensile strain. The tensile strain is positive. Due to the tensile load, the tensile strain induced in the body. Due to this tensile strain, the length of the body gets increases. Okay, that's why the tensile strain is always positive. The compressive strain induced in the building component due to the compressive load. Due to this compressive load, the length of the body gets decreases. That's why this compressive strain is negative. Okay, these are the two types of the strain: tensile strain, compressive strain.